mates and all my dear classmates. Good morning to all of you. Today we all are gathered here to perform a role play on our mathematics chapter number 1, real numbers. And the theme of this role play is all divisions are equal. So first of all, I would like to thank our maths teacher for 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 giving us opportunity to express ourselves. And now I would like to introduce the character of this role play.
Namaste, I am Hindu. I am playing two roles, India and the child of Hindu. Namaste, I am Hindu. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, I am Constitution.
Next scene is of planning of Satyanarayan's Puja.
Ram, listen.
Yes.
We are holding a Satyanarayan's Puja in our home tomorrow. I want you to bring some important things from market. Will you?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. And please invite our neighbors also.
Neighbors? I can't. I have a lot of work to do today.
Okay. Pinku,
Yes, ma'am.
go and invite our neighbors for our tomorrow's Satyanarayan's Puja.
Yes, I am here to invite you. Why? Because we held it the Satyanarayan Puja tomorrow. Okay, bye. Why they call like us? We are Hindus. Why did they call us? I think we should attend it, na? Yes. Okay. I'm here to invite you because we held the Satyanarayan Puja tomorrow. Okay, bye. We will come.
Tinku, have you invited all?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Assalamu alaikum.
Why you come like that?
Because it's our culture.
Oh, it's good. That's all.
Namaskar. Assalamu alaikum. You are most welcome. We are so much happy that you invite us. We didn't think of it.
Please.
Thank you.
Have a seat. Tinku,
The next scene is a discussion between Hindu families.
Yes, ma'am.
go and eat the fire. Ram, come here.
Yes.
Who invited them all?
I don't know.
Who knows? Tinku, come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you invited them?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because you're telling me to invite all the neighbors.
They are not our neighbors, they are different from us.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Go, please. I'm not going to serve them.
Okay, you don't worry. I will manage it.
Continue. As you can see, the food is being served, and the Hindu family, particularly the lady, is offended why the Muslim community people and the Sikh community people have been invited for the feast for the Satyanarayan Katha.
You all wait a minute, I will serve you meals after some time. Okay?
Why did they call us? It's puja na, so we should attend them. Why did they call us? If they behave like that, so why they invite us? Shut up, Chintu.
Tinku,
Yes, ma'am.
ask your father to serve them. I'm not going to serve.
Okay, ma'am.
Come, Tinku, we'll serve.
Please come. We are going to eat like this? No. Let's go. I think we should go now. Yes. But I'm hungry.
Continue.
I'm hungry.
Tinku,
Yes, ma'am.
have they gone?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank God they're gone.
Seed is of flower when Sikhs are in huge problem and they are forced to change their religion or die.
Now, where we go now? No food to eat, no shelter to live, and no water to drink. Where to go now?
We will not change our religion. We will not change our religion.
Repeat. Repeat the मर जाएंगे डायलॉग.
डायलॉग रिपीट कर दो पीछे बात.
मर जाएंगे वाला रिपीट करो.
मर जाएंगे पर नहीं बदलेंगे. मर जाएंगे पर जीने के अपना धर्म नहीं बदलेंगे. मर जाएंगे पर जीने के अपना धर्म नहीं बदलेंगे. मर जाएंगे पर जीने के अपना धर्म नहीं बदलेंगे.
It's our last warning. Change your religion or let us die here. We will not change our religion. Yes, we will not change our religion.
It's your and it's mine. Now tell me which is yours and which is mine. Can you do? Chief Muslim.
There is a commotion between the various religions. Where the Muslims and the Hindus and the Sikhs, they are collaborating with each other and they are thinking how to resolve this problem. Yeah, continue.
It is your blood and it is my blood. Now tell me which is your blood and which is mine. Can you do? Chief person.
Stop all. Stop all. You all religions are equal for me and also equal for constitution. And constitution. According to me, all religions are equal for me. Sir,
बोलो ना.
I am constitution. I am the constitution. I am the set of the written rules that are followed by all living organisms. So, according to me, all religions are equal.
We are sorry.
Just like India is made up of very different religions, Hindu, Muslim, Islam, Persian, etc. Just like real numbers are also made of rational numbers, irrational numbers, whole numbers, integers, and also composite numbers, prime numbers. But they all have one potence in real numbers. Repeat it again. Real numbers are made of rational numbers and irrational numbers, and rational numbers are of non-integer rational numbers, integers, negative numbers, and whole numbers 0 plus natural numbers.
जय भीम, उत्तराखंड, जय भारत, जय भारत।
एक बार एक बार
We all are Indians.
एक बार और हाथ ऊपर करके जो कर रहे थे आप लोग। बोलो। दैट हाथ जोड़ के जाओ, ऐसे ऐसा मत करना, हाथ जोड़ के जाओ एक साथ झुंड बना के।